Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall, skilla.
Wow, my people, my there again. Big up, respect and manners, my people. So, my people, I got information that a rapper who goes by the name of Takeoff was shot and killed in the wee hours of Tuesday morning, the 1st of November, the year 2022. So it is said that Takeoff, who is a member of the group that is known as Migos, was gunned down during a confrontation or a fight that broke out over a dice game at a private party at 810 Billiards and Bowling in Houston, Texas, United States of America. So it is said that Houston police said that they arrived on the scene sometime after 2:40 a.m. on Tuesday morning, and it is said that fire officials also arrived at the scene, viewers and subscribers. So it is said that there was multiple reports of a shooting, and it is said that cops said that there was a certain amount of people who was at that location when they arrived, viewers and subscribers. I do not want to give you a specific number because the details about the situation are somewhat sketchy. So it is said that a man was seen lying on the ground, viewers and subscribers, and the man who was lying on the ground was shot. See? Now it is said that other persons had been injured during the whole situation, is it? And however, it is said that the person who was seen lying on the ground and was shot is said to be Takeoff. Now, Takeoff is said to be 28 years old, viewers and subscribers. And here's the thing. It is said that Quavo was also at the location at the time when certain things happened. Now, there's a video that I saw that is circulating on social media about the whole situation. The video is really and truly sad in my point of view. May I tell you the truth, my people? So, it is said that up to a certain time, police did not release the identity of the victim, viewers and subscribers. However, at a certain amount of time, TMZ said that Takeoff was shot and killed. I did not get any confirmed information if any suspect had been held when it comes on to the whole shooting that happened at that location, viewers and subscribers. No, I did not. However, it is said that police are doing their investigation, or the necessary authorities are doing their investigation. Yeah, so it is said that a member of the group that is known as Migos was gunned down or shot and killed at a private party that had been held in Houston, Texas, United States of America. Big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall, skilla. Big up.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall, skilla.